Hi, my name is Ana Paula Garcia Diaz, and this is my homework 3 from Effective Presentations Workshop. The story I'm going to tell is about my youngest dog. She's an American Akita, and her name is Kida. We named her after a character from Atlantis, a movie from Disney. And well, I'm going to tell you how I got her. Like 2 or 3 years ago, I knew a person who had an Akita, and I loved the dog, so I wanted one. And like a year ago, I saw a publication on Facebook about a family who had puppies, and they were selling them. So I wanted one, of course, and I came to my mom and tried to convince her, because we already had 3 dogs and 4 were a lot, and so she didn't want to, but at the end I convinced her, and I wrote to the people on Facebook. There were only 2 left, and so I run for the money and to talk with the people, and they were from Mexico City, so we had to arrange a neutral or central place, but they accepted to come to Cuernavaca, and we saw each other in a veranda, and there they gave her to me, and in the moment that I saw her, I was like in love. She was too afraid of other people, but when I carried her, she was like okay, she wasn't afraid, and so I think we made a click. And right now she's so big, she's the biggest. The other dogs I have are boxers, and they are medium, they are not that big, but she doesn't have not even a year, but she's like too big. So I just wanted to share this because I love dogs, especially my dogs, and she's like my favorite, I think, and so I'm so happy that I got her and I have the chance to experience having an American Akita. So thank you for watching.